I'm Carolyn Yarina. I'm the CEO and co-founder of CSU Global Health, and we are a medical device company for emerging markets. Coming to Baltimore was a journey in and of itself. We started from being based out of Michigan and going very frequently, targeting our main focus on West Africa as that burgeoning hub of a growing middle class, growing focus on healthcare and medical devices, and more money being spent on those, but without the technologies that are designed specifically for that market. And we moved to Baltimore, really starting with the Dream It Health Accelerator program. And that program really gave us the jumpstart we needed. We were already looking at this region of the United States. Michigan is wonderful at manufacturing and medical devices. What we were missing was that resources and mentorship on the international scope, on the supply chain. And when you talk about Baltimore and you think about Johns Hopkins and the resources that are there, DC being a stone's throw away, but not actually being in DC, and really giving us the foothold and the community support that we needed here in Baltimore to allow us to grow, develop our organization as a medical device company for emerging markets. Our tenacious team developed our first entrepreneurial steps were out of the University of Michigan, designing medical devices from an engineering background. And how we came together is we actually launched two separate companies in medical devices in emerging markets right out of school. We started, one of us started a medical device design firm out of Ghana, really working on new medical devices, and one of us developed a nonprofit focused on rural mobile clinics in India. And so in that journey, so Katie and myself running that nonprofit in India and Jillian running this medical device design firm, we realized that the opportunities were not just around individual medical devices, they're around the system and the pipeline to create products that are really designed for emerging markets. The reason we are where we are today is because of our very amazing, tenacious team, but it's also because of our partnerships that we've established. And we've had some pretty impressive partnerships to date who have helped us get here. We've partnered with USAID, Gates Foundation, Grand Challenges Canada, Government of Norway, and UK Aid, all in one fell swoop with a large partnership through a grant that we were able to win. And we've been able to allow ourselves to grow with this focus on emerging markets and prove ourselves with quite a bit of non-dilutive capital to supplement the pieces of investment we've gotten from TEDCO, from Dream It, which includes Johns Hopkins, BioHealth Innovation, and Able Foundation. And it's allowed us to get to this point we're at now, which is where we have a manufactured product. We have a subsidiary incorporated in Ghana. And we have letters of support and people really reaching out to us about how great of a need and how interested they are in our first product because of the opportunity for them to both save lives and also to incentivize themselves on the supply chain process and how money is currently being spent and being able to use the resources more appropriately. The reason we use the word tenacious is because our vision was born of failure. In our first companies, we didn't have the right business models. We didn't have the complete skill sets we needed on our team, and it was in coming together from two separate companies that we created the whole that is CSU Global Health.